Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Rising above the Columbia River Valley in southeastern British Columbia, Mount Revelstoke National Park protects a stunning landscape of dense forests, alpine meadows, and rugged mountain peaks. Located just outside the city of Revelstoke, the park covers a portion of the Selkirk Mountains. This region is known for its dramatic elevation changes, where lush valley-bottom forests gradually give way to subalpine meadows and high mountain ridges. For thousands of years, Indigenous peoples traveled through the valleys and mountain passes of this region, relying on the forests and rivers for food, materials, and seasonal movement. The surrounding Columbia River Basin formed an important natural corridor through the mountains, connecting communities across what is now southeastern British Columbia. These ancient travel routes later guided explorers, traders, and surveyors moving deeper into the interior of Western Canada. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway in the 1880s brought major change to the region. The railway line passed through nearby mountain passes and valleys, linking eastern and western Canada for the first time by rail. The town of Revelstoke quickly developed as an important railway and supply center, supporting workers, travelers, and industries such as logging and mining throughout the surrounding mountains. Mount Revelstoke National Park was officially established in 1914 to protect the unique natural environment of the mountain. One of its most famous features is the Meadows in the Sky Parkway, a remarkable mountain road built during the early 20th century. The route climbs from the valley floor to high alpine meadows, offering access to fields of wildflowers and sweeping views across the Selkirk Mountains and the Columbia Valley. Today, Mount Revelstoke National Park remains a place where visitors can experience the remarkable diversity of mountain ecosystems in a relatively small area. From towering old-growth forests to open alpine landscapes, the park protects habitats that support a wide range of wildlife and plant species. Together with nearby protected areas, it forms part of a vast wilderness that continues to define the natural character of this region of British Columbia.